What if you could explore the human body like a 3D world? Zoom into the brain, the heart, even the nerves. Click on body parts to explore things like surgeries and various diseases, all from your browser. This website lets you do exactly that. And it's completely free. First step, go to biodigital.com. Once you are in, sign up for free. Then choose Anatomy for Medical Students or Anatomy for Physical Therapy Students, or Foundational Organ System Anatomy for Medical Student. This opens the 3D model viewer, where you can explore every part of the body. On the left panel, choose different systems: skeletal, digestive, cardiovascular. Each one includes animations and descriptions that help you understand how the body actually works. And that's it. An entire 3D human body at your fingertips, powered by BioDigital Human. If you love discovering free AI and educational tools like this one, make sure to hit subscribe, drop a like, and stay tuned for more amazing websites every week.